Hello, hello, hello. This is a new beginning channel and new beginning for you, and for me too. And we are actually committed to provide you value added resources, free coaching, free information. Yeah, last week I was on vacation and didn't have my full setup over there, so couldn't do that. But hey, I'm back. And this is also my vacation because if you do whatever you love, it is a vacation. It's really fun. So, what's your today's topic? Today's topic we are talking about our past, present, and future. So, what is our past? What is our past? Past is gone. Many times when we look at the past, instead of getting lessons, we have regrets. You know, everybody has something or other in their past which they don't like. But you can use that as a stepping stone instead of regretting on that. If you don't learn from your past and if you don't change, then things will keep on repeating again and again and again till you learn lesson, because the nature wants to teach you, the creator wants to teach you, and when you learn, you move on, you are ready for another lesson, so you will make another mistake and you will learn another lesson. It's always better to learn from somebody else's mistakes, but hey, it is not possible to get mentorship every time. So you have to learn from your own mistakes, and that is how our past is. Our past actually teaches us all the lessons. And past is just a story. It's a story, it is history. You cannot change. So, why do you want to dwell on something which you cannot change? Why do you want to keep on thinking about something which you cannot change? Yeah, means you can think about it, but means just for the correction, means when you are driving your car, most of the time, yeah, means you look ahead, right? Because if you keep on looking into rear mirror, rear window, means there is no way you can drive the car. Yeah, it is just for safety, for correction. Yeah, you look once in a while, but not all the time. All the time, your eyes should be on the present moment and your upcoming future. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect. No human being is perfect. And that is how it is designed. So to err is human. So if you have done some mistakes in the past, it is very natural. Everybody has done mistakes. And if someone is judging you, they might have not done the mistakes which you have done, but they have done some other mistakes. So nobody should judge other person for their mistakes. Okay. Everybody has something which they can or they want to erase, which they have done in the past, but it is not possible. What is possible? To use that experience as a stepping stone and move on. That's the only thing possible. And never do the same mistake again. Hey, when you grow, you will have more challenges, you have higher challenges, and then you do bigger mistakes, you will learn bigger lessons. That is how life goes. So it's really no need to look at the past. Past is a history, just learn from it, never do the same mistake again, and move on. Yes, that's it. What is present? Present is a gift. It's a gift, and that's why it is called present. Live in the present moment, enjoy. Yeah, because most of the times, either you are living in the past or living in the future. When you are living in the past, most of the times people are regretting. We talked in details about that, so I'm not going to talk again about that. And but many times when people keep on thinking about future, they are worrying. And there is no point about worrying, because you do your part and then move on. Because if you do your part, whatever you can do, you do, then leave rest to the nature, leave rest to the creator. Everything will fall in place. My spiritual guru asked me once that if you have just one day to live, or if you are going to die today, are you ready? And that really opened my eyes. I said, oh my goodness, I never thought that way. Then he gave me example of one lady who had cancer and she had really limited amount of time given, like few months. And she came to him, she asked him, what can I do? So he said, okay, now it has happened, you cannot change. So just utilize your time wisely. Just see what you can achieve maximum in the given period of time. Basically, he was telling her to work for her soul, not for ego. And it seems she utilized that time really carefully and with awareness. And she passed on with a very peaceful mind. So she had few months. We may not have just few months, we may have few years, but still it is a limited time. So why not to think the same way, prioritize our life, and then just make sure that we are utilizing our time properly, and that will that will make the best of our present. Because when we use our present wisely, when we make the best of our present, we are sowing the good seeds for our future. Because our present is also, it is the harvest of whatever seeds we have sown in the past. So whatever seeds we are sowing today, that will give us the harvest for future. Think about it, whatever seed you sow, you are going to get back exactly the same harvest. You are going to get back the same harvest, but in the abundance, and you are going to get it after some time. So many times I just started asking myself, okay, this is the action I'm doing. So that is the seed I'm sowing. So if I get returns 7 times, because I had to have some kind of concrete number. 7 also, I read somewhere in the Bible that was the 7 times you get returns of every seed. But actually it is many times, it is way more. But say, okay, whatever seed you are sowing, if you're going to get 7 times return, do you want that? And you are going to get the same return, and you are going to get after some time. For example, if you're sowing a corn seed, you are going to get corn. You are not going to get wheat out of that seed. So our action or our karma is exactly like that. So whatever action we are taking, if we are ready to get 7 times return on that action, are we ready? If we are ready, then surely we can go ahead and take that action, and you will be rewarded immensely. Many times I realize that whenever I boosted my ego, worked for my ego, the only thing I got was unhappiness, regrets, or some kind of negative feeling. But if I satisfied my soul by serving others and putting value into other people, or whatever way, there are many ways you can actually satisfy your soul by doing positive things, by doing godly things. Every time it gave me satisfaction and all the positive feelings. So I'm just talking from my own experience. What is your experience? Yeah, you can share with me, and do let me know what other topics you would like me to cover. Our channel is designed mainly to provide you value added resources for you to take charge of your life. And it can be in any way, means to organize your life or to start your own business. There are many ways you can take charge of your life. You can have just side hustle. You can do anything. You can even monetize your passion. There are various ways you can take charge of your life. And we are dedicated to serve you, fulfill your dreams, and we just want to see you succeed in your life. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.